Hello guys, how are you all doing today? Good day and welcome to my channel. On today's episode, I'll be showing you guys how to cut this Aso-oke baggy trouser. Now, if you're interested in this video, please stick by to the end and do not forget to like and also subscribe. Let's move over to the cutting of this video. Do not forget to subscribe and join the team. So on today's video, we'll be cutting a baggy trouser with Aso-oke. So I have 3 pieces of Aso-oke which has been joined already. So to achieve this trouser, we would be cutting out the baggy trouser. We'll be drafting it on the pattern paper before moving it to the main fabric, which is the Aso-oke. So first off, I have the length over here. The length is 42, and I'll also be adding band to this trouser. And for my band, I'll be making use of 2 inches. So what I will do here is I will go up by 1.5 inch. This ½ inch is for joining allowance, so I'll go up by 1.5. Then from this 1.5, I'm just going to measure. Okay, the trouser length is 40/41, so I'm just going to measure 41. This is where the trouser will stop. And after that, I am going to take my hip measurement. The hip is 42. So from here, I will measure 42. 42 into 4, that is 10.5. I will take my 10.5 right here. I would also come up here and then I will take my 10.5. Then I will bring my tape rule down to this side. I will also measure my 10.5 plus ½ inch, that's 11 inches. So from here, I'll come out here and then I'll measure 10.5 as well. Then I'll connect. I'll also come down here. After getting this line, I'll take the thigh measurement. Now the thigh is 29 inches. I'll divide 29 by 2. 29 into 2 will give me 14.5. I will come here and I will take my 14.5 inches. So from here, I'll connect. Then I will give that curve from here. I'll give that curve. Now I'll just take my 14.5 inches all the way to this side. So from here, I will take my 14.5. Fourteen and a half. Then I'll connect. So onto this side, I will take the waist measurement. The waist is 36. So I'm just going to be dividing 36 into 4. 36 into 4 will give me 9.5. But I'm not going to measure in 9.5 since I'll be adding elastic band to it. So I'll just come over here, then I'll remove 1 inch. So from this 1 inch, I am going to create my curve down to the hip line, just like this. So this is all for the front trouser. And for the back, I am going to be adding 2 inches, and I'm also going to be coming up when I'm cutting on my main fabric. I'm coming. So for the front, let's move over to the cutting of the back side. For the back, I will place this one on the table. Then I'm just going to place the front on it just like this. Then I will come down by about 1.5 inches. So from this 1.5 inches, I'm going to connect from here to this side. Then I'm going to come out by, this is the waist. I'm going to two inches, 2 inches, then from here 1.5 inch, if you can, if you look at this side, you will see that the back pattern paper is not equal with the front pattern paper. So what I will do is, when I want to cut, I will add extra 1 inch to it, or 1.5 before I cut. This is actually the actual length, but I think I want it to be longer a bit, so that's why I made use of this extra allowance. So I'll be adding extra 1 or 1.5 inch when cutting the back. So this is all for the back side of the trouser. I'll just go ahead to cut out the pattern as well. Now I'll place it back, and I'll also, after placing it back, I'll trim out this side of the trouser, making sure that it's equal. Then I placed this pattern paper on the Aso-oke, and I went ahead to cut it out, leaving about 1/2 inch round this side down to this side. I will also do the same for everything. So guys, this is basically all for the drafting of the Aso-oke baggy trouser with elastic band. I also went ahead to apply pockets to the side, and if you're cutting Aso-oke for the first time, make sure you have a hot iron or a lighter or a hot scissors to melt the side while cutting, so that it doesn't lose. I hope this video was helpful, and I hope you would also try this out. Thank you guys for sticking to the end, and do not forget to like this video and also subscribe to my channel to encourage me to want to do more and to also help us grow together. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye and take care.